What's up, guys? Here in beautiful Concord, North Carolina. Beautiful weather out here. It's been raining like all month, I believe, and last month. Here at my crew chief shop, Throttle Junkie Tuning in Concord, North Carolina. Getting ready to start going for the day. My car chief, Justin Tambasco, he's messing with our parts rack and looking at our new engine. It's a 5.0 Coyote aluminator, 11-to-1 compression, right from Ford Performance. We're getting ready, getting everything set up for the day. We're gonna start taking this engine apart to go in our 2018 Super Snake widebody, my Shelby American. We're gonna take, basically today is just gonna get in stuff, the engine prepped and the intake manifold, fuel rails, starter body, and some of the pulley system taken off, and prep for our Whipple supercharger and the kind of proprietary pulley system that we use. Do a little walk around the car here. This hole shall be filled at some point today. It's a game plan, at least, unless we run any hiccups or parts we may not have, but I think we have everything covered. Here's the car stripped down. We're prepping for Shelby Bash, which is next week we'll be leaving. Everything else pretty much all good to go. We just got to reinstall our panels and clean a couple things up, reinstall some parts. The biggest thing is just getting our new illuminator put in and on the dyno, which is next door, but we'll that'll be another tidbit on our next segment. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We'll set up a time lapse so you can see us working throughout the day. Mostly, actually, Justin is going to be doing a lot more today than I am. I'm going to my buddy's wedding. Thug Matt, shout out. Congrats already, early congrats. He'll be married here later this afternoon, so I got to skip out for a little while, but Justin's on top of it, and so you'll see him most throughout the video, but I'll be back tonight to get to help him button up and drop it in tentatively. That's the game plan. Anyway, guys, we'll talk to you soon. See you later.